Om Namah Shivaya children. In our last video, I recollected all the previous knowledge regarding fraction, what you have already learned in your previous classes. And today we are going to learn the next part of the chapter. So let's start. This is chapter 2, Mathematics, Fractions and Decimals. Let's start with the topic multiplication of fractions. In this session, we are going to cover the following points: multiplication of fraction by a whole number, fraction as an operator of, multiplication of a fraction by another fraction, and value of product of fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number can be understood by the example. Suppose we have 2 1/4 piece of chocolate. So total chocolate we have 1/4 plus 1/4 which equals to 2/4. Also we can write it as 2 into 1/4 which equals to 2/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2 into 1/4. So 2 into 1/4 which equals to 2/4. So after simplifying, that is 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So after simplifying 2/4, we will get the fraction 1/2. How to multiply mixed fractions with whole numbers? Let's see. If we have mixed fraction in the multiplication, first what to do? We have to convert into improper fraction. Then multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. Then we can simplify the fractions if needed. And if the multiplication fraction results in improper fraction, we can convert into mixed fraction if required. Let us see one example. This is 2 and 3/5. So 2 and 3/5, as we can see, this is a mixed fraction and it is multiplied by the whole number 2. So first we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So that is 5 2s are 10 plus 3, that is 13/5. So the mixed fraction we converted to improper fraction, that is 13/5. So 13/5 into 2 which equals to 26 divided by 5. Fraction as an operator of. If it is written that find the half of 24, then what does of means here? Here of represents the multiplication. So half of 24 means half into 24 which equals to here 2 12 are 24. So it will be 1 into 12, that is 12. So 1 by 2 of 24 means 1 into 24, which equals to 1 into 12, that is 12. So here also you can see the circle is divided by 2 equal parts. So half of 24 is 12. Let us try some examples. 1 by 5 of 20. 1 by 5 of 20 means 1 by 5 into 20. That is 20 by 5. So after simplifying, we will get 5, 4, 20. So 25, 20 by 5. After simplifying, we will get the answer 4. Let's see the next example. 4 by 5 of 10. It means 4 by 5 into 10. That is 4 tens are 40, 40 by 5. And after simplifying, we'll get 5, 8 are 25. So the answer will be 8. How to multiply a fraction by another fraction? Let's see. First, simplify the fractions if not in lowest term. Then multiply the numerators of the fractions to get the new numerator. Multiply the denominators of the fractions to get the new denominator. Then simplify the resulting fraction if possible, and if the multiplication fraction results in improper fractions, we have to convert into mixed fraction if required. Let us see examples. 2 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 7. So the multiplication of fraction by another fraction, which equals to 2 into 6 divided by 5 into 7. So 2 6 are 12, 5 7 are 35. So it will be 12 by 35. Let's see the next example. 1 by 4 into 2 by 3, which equals to 1 into 2 and divided by 4 into 3. So 1 2 is 2 and 4 3 is 12. So here we can simplify by dividing 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So after simplifying 2 by 12, we will get 1 by 6. So when we will multiply a fraction by another fraction, we have to apply the following formula. What is that? Fraction into fraction is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. What is value of product of fractions? Generally, when we multiply two numbers, then we got the result which is greater than the numbers. But in case of fraction, it is not always like that. For example, 2 by 3, when 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5, we will get 8 by 15. So 8 by 15 is less than 2 by 3 and it is also less than 4 by 5. So the product is less than each of the fractions. In the second example, when 7 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 2, we get 35 by 6. So here 35 by 6 is greater than 7 by 3 and also it is greater than 5 by 2. So here the product is greater than each of the fractions. So from the above examples, we can infer that when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fractions, and the product of two improper fractions is greater than each of the two fractions. Children, let us summarize what we have learned today. Two fractions are multiplied by multiplying their numerators and denominators separately and writing the product as product of numerators divided by product of denominators. A fraction acts as an operator of. The product of two proper fractions is less than each of the fractions that are multiplied. The product of a proper and an improper fraction is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction. The product of two improper fractions is greater than the two fractions. Children, based on the topic, there are some activities for you. Number 1. Complete exercise 2.2 from question number 1 to question number 8 from page number 36 and 37 in your mathematics notebook. Number 2. Complete exercise 2.3 from question number 1 to question number 8 from page number 41 and 42 in your mathematics notebooks. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Om Namah Shivaya.